tuko na mpango wa kuhakikisha kwamba tutaongeza ile mapato ambayo yanatokana na mifugo na hiyo sekta ya ngozi kutoka shilingi bilioni 15 kwa mwaka hivi sasa mpaka bilioni 120 bilioni, ili kubadilisha idara ya ufugaji na kuongeza pesa katika mifuko ya wananchi. Tutatengeneza kiwanda ya kutengeneza ngozi, ile ngozi ambayo inatokana na mifugo wetu. Hiyo ngozi itakuwa inaletwa hapa, na ikiletwa hapa itakuwa inafanyiwa utaratibu ili iweze kubadilishwa ikuwe vifaa kama viatu, mishipi na hata begi za kubebea bidhaa. His Excellency the President directed that this facility be ready by 31st of March this year. We are trying our best, the various state departments and ministries, because there is a Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, but also the Ministry of Investment, Promotion, Trade and Industry, and we are working hard to make sure that we deliver. I am here with the Acting Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Livestock Development, the Honorable Eden Duale, who is also the substantive Cabinet Secretary for Environment, Climate Change and Forestry. The PS is here for Livestock Development, the PS for Devolution, and also we are here with senior officials, including the CEO of the Kenya Leather Council, the CEO of the EPZ, and senior officials from the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development and other stakeholders. So I want, mradi huu ukikamilika utaongeza nafasi za kazi kwa vijana wetu, ili wale ambao wanahusika katika idara hii ya mambo ya ngozi na viwanda vinavyohusu ngozi, nafasi za kazi zitaongezeka kutoka 17,000 kwa sasa mpaka 100,000. For many years in our country today, we have concentrated on carcass and red meat and ignored hides and skins. Yet, it is established beyond doubt that the hide and skins are much more valuable than even the value of the meat. And that is what this project is all about, to make sure that we are able to add value to our hides and skins. And one of the value chains that we identified as critical for our national transformation, it is leather. Our country is the third holder of population of hives, of livestock, especially cattle, in Africa. Our country is number 3 with 22 million heads of cattle. Two things arise out of that statistic. The first one is that we can compete effectively in the beef business. And we have enough cattle to supply the demand for beef in Kenya and also the international beef market. Secondly, these statistics prove that if we are able to adjust the production and marketing of the hides and skins of our cattle, we can inject fresh resources into our economy. That is why in the Kenya Kwanza plan, we propose to transform within the livestock sector, the leather industry, to make it achieve two things. One, to ensure that the leather industry is able to inject 120 billion shillings into the economy by 2027, up from the current 15 billion shillings annually. Second, we propose to transform within the livestock sector, the leather industry, to make it achieve two things. One, to ensure that the leather industry is able to inject 120 billion shillings into the economy by 2027, up from the current 15 billion shillings annually. Secondly, to ensure that the leather industry is able to generate 100,000 jobs, up from the current 17,000 jobs.